So we all know what's going on. Let's be honest. AMC, GME, Dodge, that's the future. I just watched Wolf of Wall Street, and we are dialed in. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. Just wanted to bring some light to kind of like what it is that's going on. Obviously, there's so much hype going on right now with AMC, NOK, BB, GME, NAKD, and of course with crypto, thanks to Elon Musk and of course all the other Reddit traders, pushing Bitcoin to all-time highs, and Dogecoin yesterday just obliterating, I think, people's anticipation and almost getting to 10 cents a share. So I hope that you guys are enjoying this momentum. I hope that you guys are enjoying this hype. I don't want to keep you guys here too long. I'm sure that you guys just want to get into the weekend. Let's be honest, just everything that has happened this week, right? With Robinhood and not allowing traders to buy any of these stocks, restricting them, therefore not allowing enough buying pressure, more selling pressure, manipulating the market, and everything that happened yesterday, right? With all the hype of squeezing out short sellers on GME originally on Monday and Tuesday, and then following with AMC and all these other infamous stocks as of right now. This all happened within a span of a week. What a time to be alive. And normally, I'm always super pumped, right, to just continue to trade. But I think just because of everything that has happened and the roller coaster of emotions that people are going through because of the pullbacks yesterday and slight recovery today, but it's not as much as people anticipated. It's just like, who else is ready for the weekend? I think that we can all say we are, right? What I wanted to update you guys on is I was trading live with the Learn Plan Profit group this morning, and one of the things that you guys all know about myself is I don't trade penny stocks, I don't trade pump and dumps, I don't trade hype stocks. But obviously, when there's an opportunity that presents itself, I approach it in a very minimal way. And I wanted to kind of explain to you what it is that I do. What it is that I do is not the best way to do it. It's not something that I would encourage you to do. I wanted to share what it is and how it is that I'm doing it. I hope it makes sense to you and that maybe you can take that concept and implement it if and only if it makes the most sense to you. Like a lot of you guys know, there's a lot of people that are going in very, very heavy in their GME, Dodge, AMC positions, and they're going all in. And this is the very unfortunate part that, I'm all for people making a quick buck, right? But you need to understand the risk that you're putting yourself into. I'm not here to try to convince you not to do something. All I'm here to encourage you is to always take into consideration the dollar amount that you are putting on the line. It is bothersome because when you don't talk about risk and all people do is hype something up, it's great when that direction is in your favor. But when I see people comment, hold the line, don't sell, but it's crashing, right? And let's be honest, this hype will not last forever. Let's just be real. Like, if you understand what is happening, this will not last forever. So holding the line for a principle of just trying to please other people just doesn't make sense to me, right? The whole idea of trading, because that's what this is not investing in AMC, this is not investing in Dodge, this is not investing in GME. It's trading. It is your job to identify an opportunity, to calculate and determine the risk, and to see if it's worth taking advantage of. If you find it, right? Like I found an opportunity with AMC. I bought at lower levels. I'm up $400. I only bought 200 shares. My account sits at over $100,000, and I bought 200 shares. But again, I'm much more conservative than a lot of other people. If you choose to go in with 10% of your account, 100% of your account, there is no right or wrong. It's all about your intent and your understanding of what you're getting yourself into. You have to understand when you choose to take advantage of huge and very volatile stocks, you are correct. You could make an unreal amount of money. We've seen it happen. But understand that it is your job to understand when to lock in profits, when to cut losses, and how to properly execute these trades when that direction and that momentum is in your favor. It's not to please other people. It's not to hold the line for other people, because at the end of the day, the sole reason that people are still getting into the market and that they're so intrigued is for the sole principle of still making a quick buck. So if you understand that principle, I wish you nothing but the best. If you want to hold the line for other people, then again, I wish you nothing but the best. But when it comes down to effectively trading and understanding what it is that you're doing, these do come at great forms of risk, right? And especially when there's so much momentum, it's not asking the question, where is the best price to buy AMC? Where's the best price to buy Dodge? Where's the best price to buy Gamestop? All of these hype stocks, right? It's not where's the best prices. Is it still relevant, and is momentum still present? That's all it's based off of. Is the price action in your favor, or is it beginning to correct itself and pull back? This is something that you need to understand. What I would encourage you, and again, I'm not here to step on anyone's toes. If you're actually wanting to get into trading in the market, I would encourage you to create a plan. The dollar amount that you're going to put into it, where you plan to buy, where you plan to sell, and where you plan to cut losses. So if everything is premeditated and calculated, you at least understand what you're getting yourself into. And what I'm trying to avoid is if and when these stocks begin to crash, right? Let's say AMC does make it to $100 a share. I think that'd be dope, right? But with my 200 shares, if it were to pull back to, $4 a share, it'd suck, but it wouldn't devastate me. And thinking about the worst case scenario is at least some form of understanding of what you're getting yourself into. I just don't want you to be someone that gets in blindly, buys GameStop at $500 a share because people are telling you that it's going to $1,000 when they have no understanding of what's at $1,000. I just don't get that, how people make up numbers on what they're working towards and where they encourage people to then lock in profits. At the end of the day, focus on the trade opportunity. If the momentum and direction is in your favor, if the risk and reward is in your favor and it makes sense to you and it's premeditated, then yeah, it could be fun. But do it with a position size in which that you can manage. The last thing that I want to share with you is the more dollar amount that you have on the line, of course, the more emotions that come out. You want to have enough skin in the game that you feel motivated, not so much that you end up becoming devastated if it were to pull back. And I think that's the simple message that I want to leave you with. With everything that's going on with AMC, with everything that's going on with GME, right? I only have 2 shares and I'm up $282. And guess what? I'm enjoying it. You're right. I'm not making 100%. I'm not making $100,000 in a day. But I'm also not losing $100,000 in a day. I'm also not losing 50% in a day. So yeah, it has its pros, it has its cons. Higher risk, higher reward. And it really just comes down to how you want to approach the market. There is no right or wrong. It's all based off of what you can tolerate and what you understand. Don't let other people be the influence of where you choose to put your money. You should always be the final decision maker on what investments and what trades you choose to take advantage of and understand the risk of. And that's the simple message that I want to leave you guys with. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that I earned your thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if you guys plan to continue to trade these, where you plan to sell them, or if you guys plan to lock in profits as they begin to correct themselves. Like always, continue working hard, continue following dreams, let your passion be what drives your success. Don't forget to stay connected. We do run the largest free Facebook group in the world. We just hit a little bit over 300,000 members, and that's all thanks to you guys. That's the first link down in the description. Of course, if you want to stay connected, and we have our free Discord chat. If you guys want to join us at Market Open for our live trading sessions, that's that second link down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.